Hey, our media guy, Austin, just picked up a really nice looking 26 Ram Rebel 2500. We want to throw some 37-inch tires on there, and we're going to accomplish that with this BDS 3-inch lift kit. This is available for all 2019 and newer Ram HD trucks. This one here is a 3-inch lift for the diesel truck. Let me walk you through some of the components here so you have a good idea of what you're going to get in this BDS lift kit package. First up, you've got this tubular radius arm. This is going to correct the caster, keeping the truck tracking straight and preventing any death wobble. It's also a little bit thinner, so it's going to give you more clearance from lock to lock when you have those large tires and wheels on there. You got the 3-inch ride right coil spring. This is a progressive rate coil with 2 different zones. This is going to give you a good ride on road, but also be able to handle any of that off-road abuse that you throw at it. And paired with the Fox HTO shocks that we're putting on there, it's going to give you a great ride both on and off road. When you lift a solid axle truck, that axle is going to shift over from side to side, and that is due to the track bar. So BDS includes an adjustable track bar up front, a track bar drop bracket for the rear. This is going to get those axles centered and keep that truck tracking straight down the road. You're also going to receive a rear 1.25-inch coil spring spacer. That's how we're achieving the rear lift. With that, you're going to get 2 larger rear bump stops to prevent that axle from smacking into the frame. In addition to all of that, to keep the sway bars nice and level, we have extended sway bar end links that have Zerk fittings on them for easy maintenance. We're going to throw on a dual BDS steering stabilizer. This features the Fox shocks on it. With those heavier tires, this is going to keep things driving nice and smooth, keep that steering wheel straight, and prevent any weird torque inputs from left to right. The shock package that we opted for is our favorite, the Fox 2.5 HTO. I think this is the best bang for the buck. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that we really like these shocks here at Battleborn Off-Road. This is the perfect addition to any solid axle truck, whether it's stock or lifted. With the hydraulic top out spacer, it's going to prevent any harsh motions, any harsh bottom outs, and give you a secondary dampening zone to keep that truck riding smooth off-road. You can spec this kit out with the BDS NX2 shocks, a Fox 2.0, or the Big Daddy Fox 2.5 Performance Elite. Battleborn Off-Road is the only one that specs it with the Fox HTO. So if you're looking for a great deal and a custom package, check out battlebornoffroad.com.